This is FET310, TechnologyElement. Which of the following is a technique where a system is actually attacked and an intrusion attempt is made, with the aim of discovering security-related vulnerabilities of a computer or network? Is it A, a regression test, B, a penetration test, C, software inspection, or D, walkthrough? So let's have a look at the definition for a penetration test, or sometimes known as a pen test. It is an attack on a computer system, network, or web application that looks for security weakness, potentially gaining access to the computer's features and data. This is a test that attempts an actual intrusion to verify the efficiency of the security measures. Penetration tests attempt to exploit the security-related vulnerabilities of a computer or network in the hope of finding weakness in its security to determine whether unauthorized access or malicious activity is possible. Penetration test is implemented by simulating a malicious attack from an organization's internal and external users. The entire system is analyzed for potential vulnerabilities. A penetration test determines the impact of attacks on computer systems, tests network defense systems, and provides details needed to support an increase in security technology. The goals of penetration tests are: minimal security breach potential ensures system reliability, identify high-risk vulnerabilities from a combination of low-risk vulnerabilities exploited in a particular sequence, and finally, identify vulnerabilities that may be difficult or impossible to detect with automated network or application vulnerability scanning software. The final 3 points are to assess the magnitude of the potential business and operational impacts of successful attacks. Also, test the ability of the network defenders to detect and respond to attacks. Finally, provide evidence to support increased investments in security personnel and technology. Therefore, B is the correct answer to this question. Let's have an explanation of some of the other points that were mentioned as answers for the question. Firstly, in A, we defined a regression test. This is a type of software testing that verifies software previously developed and tested still performs correctly after it was changed or interfaced with other softwares. Changes may include software enhancements, configuration changes, and other such changes. During regression testing, new software bugs or regressions may be uncovered. Sometimes a software change impact analysis is performed to determine what areas could be affected by the proposed changes. These areas may include functional and non-functional areas of the system. In C, software inspection refers to peer review of any work product by trained individuals who look for defects using a well-defined process. It is time-consuming, but according to statistics will find up to 80% of the contained faults, if done properly. It must not be confused with so-called code review or walkthrough, which is usually done in a single meeting lasting for a couple of hours. Proper inspection can be applied for almost all work products in the software lifecycle, which may take several days with the help of a defined process. Finally, as mentioned in the previous question, we also have walkthrough, which is a method used throughout the design phase of a software product to collect ideas and inputs from other team members, which lead to an overall improvement in the product. Another objective of a walkthrough is to share knowledge and perform training of the participants. It is a method to raise all team members to the same level of knowledge regarding programming styles and details of the product. In a sense, it also generates an agreement within the team about the objective of the walkthrough. So as we saw, our answer is B. In this video, what we've looked at is different methods to test software and also to check for any errors that may have occurred during the process of writing the software.